Hello learners, welcome to INNOVATE Teaching Channel. In this video, we are going to discuss a concept from Teaching and Learning paper. The topic is on differences between education and instruction. This video covers 18 differences between education and instruction. Those are aim, scope, type, agencies, period, area of development, theory and practice, curriculum, methodology, discipline, personal, behavior, position of child, approach, please, co-curricular activities, and overall environment. These are all 18 differences in different areas according to education and instruction. Let's discuss them one by one. One thing to remember, guys, instruction is a part of education. Instruction helps in the attainment of aims of education. So, education is the main aspect of every individual. I'm going to highlight each and every important term in the differences. Please make note of those points. First, aim. The aim of education is all-round development of the child. Aim of the instruction is a chief emphasis on intellectual development of the child. Second, scope. The scope of education is very broad, but the scope of instruction is narrow. Education includes development of several dimensions like cultural development, etc. Instruction is confined to subjects. Third, type. Education has three aspects: formal, informal, and non-formal. Instruction is basically formal type. Fourth, agencies. The agencies of education are home, educational institutions, and cultural groups. Instruction has one agency and is imparted in education institutions. Fifth, period. Education goes on from birth to death. It's a very great thing, right? The period of instruction is limited. Sixth, area of development. Education aims at many-sided development of the individual. That's why in the first point of aim we discussed education is the all-round development of child, as it focuses on many sides of development, whereas instruction primarily aims at intellectual development only. Seventh, theory and practice. Theoretical and practical aspects are both taken into consideration according to education, whereas instruction is more or less theoretical only, not practical. Eighth, curriculum. The entire environment is curriculum, whereas in instruction, curriculum is usually in terms of certain disciplines or subjects only. Ninth, methodology. A variety of methods are employed in education, multiple methods, whereas in instruction, only lecture method is most prominent according to the traditional mode of instructions. 10th, stress is laid on self-discipline and social discipline. In instruction, command is usually the basis of discipline. 11. Personal. Several categories of people engaged in educational enterprise are taken part. So, it includes several categories of people, whereas in instruction, teachers only dominate the scene. 12th, behavior. Development of proper behavior and conduct is more important. So, development of proper conduct and behavior is more important according to education, whereas according to instruction, scoring good marks by the students is only the main key factor. 13. Position of child. In education, child is given more importance. In instruction, teacher is given more importance. He or he is assumed more important. 14. Approach. Approach is flexible in education, whereas approach is rigid, very hard and fixed in instruction. The places where education takes place are not confined. They may be classroom, they may be playground, they may be assembly, so etc. At anywhere, any place, anytime. Whereas instruction is confined to the four walls of a classroom. Co-curricular activities according to the education are a variety of activities. According to instruction, activities related only to the subjects are given prominence in instruction. End. Education ends with life, whereas instruction ends in the classroom. Overall environment of education denotes an environment of love and affection. Instruction tends to denote an authoritarian environment. So what we suggest is, so education is the most important and prominent in every human life. Okay guys, I am signing off. Take care. Bye. Thanks for watching.
Click the bell icon to get latest notifications. Don't forget to like, share and comment. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos and stay tuned to our Innovate Teaching channel.